Right then, another vlog, and it's nothing to do with Lewis's noisy M Performance, M3, whatever it is. So we've got a Caddy in, 21 plate. It's a new Mark 4 Caddy, and up to now I don't think anybody's done a lowering kit or installed a lowering kit on these. So that's what we're going to do today, see how we get on. So, Luis has just gone. Really happy that he came. Thank you to Bilstein for coming and sorting this out, 'cause it's really helped out for this project. And hopefully we're going to be able to offer them for sale soon. But as you can see, we've changed the wheels, but we've done the measurements. And this is on the lowest setting at the minute. Maybe we'll come up with a lower one in the future, but this is the usable one. It's 70mm lower at the rear at the moment and 60mm lower at the front, which just about takes the rake away. So you could lift the front up if you wanted to completely get rid of it. But yeah, really happy. This is at the lowest setting. On the highest setting, you've probably got 35mm adjustment up at the rear and probably 30 to 40mm adjustment at the front as well, so you don't have to have it slammed all the way down. This is going to be, obviously it's not released yet, it's sort of a B14 Evo kit, so it might be marketed as an Evo or a B14, not sure yet, probably Evo kit. But pretty much the front end's like a Mark 8 Golf, and then the rear, this is all totally unique. Similar to a Transit Connect, but it's not actually quite the same. And the rear spring that's in there is a little bit stiffer. not ton stiffer, but it has to be a little bit stiffer, and it's progressive as well, so that when it's on droop, it's not going to be really harsh when it comes back down, and it's going to sag back to a nice level rather than having a linear spring in there that's just going to keep coming loose and rattling around. The next step is to go for a drive in it, see what it feels like, but I didn't drive it on way in, so I can't really make a comment on that. But yeah, it looks a lot better. When we've got it out of here, we'll get some better pictures and videos and what have you to try and pad this out. Yeah, even though this is a 21 plate, the top mounts have got loads of water on them, so they're going to rust just like all the other Caddy top mounts do. So probably factor in a new set of them if it's any older than this. So yeah, I think I'm sure I've missed some stuff out. We've talked about a lot of stuff while this has been getting done, and my head's a little bit fried. So hopefully the kit's going to be released soon, if not already. Have a look in the description, and we'll be sending to like a pre-order page or something like that. And yeah, hopefully see some more of these out. And this one should be getting tuned today as well. But we'll see how that goes first.